Hi everybody, welcome to Ian's Kitchen at Home. Today we'll show you how to cook Ajitsuke Tamago ramen egg. Get a pot, add in the water to boil, then add in the eggs to cook it for about 6 minutes. Cover the lid. After the 6 minutes, transfer the eggs out from the hot water into the cold water and let it sit in the cold water for 10 minutes. In a separate pot, add 400 ml of water, 30 grams of sugar, 120 ml soy sauce, and 120 ml of the mirin. Bring to boil and let it cool down. Then set aside. Peel the eggs. After that, lay in a bowl. When the mixture has been cooled down, pour it into the egg and cover the lid. Stay in the fridge for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can just cut the egg in half. And this is your Ajitsuke Tamago beautiful ramen egg. Enjoy! Till then, happy cooking! Please remember to subscribe and like my video and click on the notification button for the latest video to be notified.